The world of work is constantly changing, faster now than ever before, and we need to respond to these changes. That's why we're publishing Megatrends. Megatrends is a report which considers some of the big changes of recent times in work, the workforce, and the workplace. Since the middle of the 19th century, the UK has seen employment decline in manufacturing and rise in services. Advances in technology and the advent of globalization have meant businesses increasingly trade across international boundaries, and people are more likely to migrate to another country for work. In 1992, 21% of those in employment were aged over 50. But as people live longer, the UK workforce is aging. In 1971, just 37% of those in employment were women. In 2013, it's now nearly 47%. Union membership, which was at its peak in 1979, has fallen dramatically to half its previous level. And we're more qualified than ever before. In 1993, 11% of those aged between 16 and 64 had a degree, and 26% had no qualifications. By 2011, these proportions had been reversed. The traditional 9 to 5 has changed. More of us now work part-time or use flexible hours, and many of us work from home for some or all of the time. These trends give rise to some fundamental questions about the world of work today. Has job turnover slowed down? Have we seen the end of the annual pay rise? Are organizations losing the trust of their workers? Are we working harder than ever? The pace of change has never been faster. To champion better work and working lives, we need to look ahead, anticipate new trends, and be ready with ideas for how to solve them. Tell us how these trends are affecting your world and which other trends are on your radar. Join the debate and help us map the future.